Question 4. Now this is probably most easily answered by digging out the 4 and the 32 as integers. 1, 2, 3. It would take 3 hops of the decimal point to get to 4. So this is 4 multiplied by 10 to the minus 3, multiplied by 1, 2 hops to get to 32. So this is 32 multiplied by 10 to the minus 2. And this is equal to 4 times 32 is 128, multiplied by 10 to the minus 3 multiplied by 10 to the minus 2 is 10 to the minus 5. Again, we just add the powers. Now that's a perfectly good answer, but we could do it in decimals. Write 128 down. The decimal point is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'd have to put 2 zeros in the front to get the answer correct. And there you have it.